Hi, this is Dr. Carolyn Schmidt, and I am one of the instructional designers for the university. I am here to show you a walkthrough of your course so you know what to expect. This course has recently been redesigned. If you find that you have any questions about the design, then put them to your professor, and if necessary, they'll be passed on to me, and we will try to make sure that this course is as user-friendly as possible. I just want to show you how this course is laid out to start with. When you come to class, you will see this announcements page. We are thinking about putting a Twitter widget here on this announcements page, so it may look a little bit different to you later. But for now, as you can see, there's a welcome announcement posted by your instructor. On the left, we have a menu. The menu has a clickable link to the announcements page, so if you ever get lost and you want to go back to the beginning, you can always click there. You'll also see that there's a Start Here link. So obviously, when you first come to class, you're probably going to want to go to Start Here. So we click on it, and you'll see a number of pieces of information that your instructor would like you to know. This link here, notice it says .pdf, is a link to your syllabus. So if I click on that, you'll see that that opens up in another window. So this is your syllabus for the course. If I come back, I'm still in Start Here. You have a course overview, you have assignments, you have your responsibilities as a student laid out as well. There will be several modules this term, but you will begin with Module 1. So let's take a look at Module 1. Again, this is a couple of days before your course starts, so there may be slight modifications, but you can see how the modules are laid out. There are learning objections and an action plan here that you will want to look at before you get going with your learning. As you go down, you'll see that each of these titles is underlined. If they're underlined and they kind of flash like that when you mouse over them, then there's information underneath the title. So if I click here, this is going to take you to an introduction discussion board. If you click on Create a Thread, you will be able to create a thread that then other students will see for your introduction discussion board. So if I go back out to Module 1, take another look at a couple of other things. You have an assignment here that you can, it tells you how many points are possible, when it's due. You can write the assignment right here in Blackboard. That's probably not best in case you lose your internet connectivity and you might lose your work. It's best to go ahead and do something in Word or another word processing program and then attach it using the Browse My Computer function. Please use .doc or .docx for file formats for anything you upload to Blackboard. It will make it much easier for both you and your instructor to see the final result. Tests also, see again, this is a clickable link. If we click on that, this will take you to where your test is. This gives you some information about your test, and then you can begin by clicking on this Begin button. Back to module. We have a number of other things. You have your instructor is including some extra information for your enrichment. There's a little video here, and then there's also some information here that takes you out to a web page. Well, there we go. See, there you go. It takes you out to a web page. So those are opening in new tabs. So you can keep those open or close them. Also, if you have any trouble, you can go to Blackboard Help or to the One Stop if it is something you think you might need a human being to answer a question for you. Then calling or chatting with the One Stop is a great way to get your questions answered. And the university information link here provides you with a number of pieces of information about policies and other kinds of things that services that are available to you as a student at Wichita State University. Thank you very much and welcome to this class. I hope you enjoy it. Good luck.